Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see very interesting, healthy and refreshing recipe which is beetroot rasam. Every kid is going to love it and everybody in your family going to appreciate this recipe because it is going to be very tasty. Surely you all need to give it a try. Now without delaying, let's quickly get into this video. To start with, I have taken here one medium sized beetroot, peel off the skin and roughly chopped pieces. So in a pan of water, I am going to add these pieces and I am going to boil it exactly for around 7 to 8 minutes. So when we boil, we are getting all the nutritional benefits from the beetroot to the water, and this water we are going to use it for the recipe. Now after 8 minutes, if you see, the beetroot has boiled nicely, and if you remove the beetroot pieces and see, it has become pale color. That means all the color had gone into the water. Just stir it well and turn off the stove. Once it becomes cool, just put it in the mixer jar and strain and extract the juice completely so that we can use that for beetroot rasam. To prepare this recipe, here I have taken a clay pot with 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil or groundnut oil, any oil of your choice you can take. So this is the beetroot juice which we have extracted and taken, and after sieving, this is the pulp. I have added little bit of water second time and rinsed it so that I got entire health benefits of beetroot completely. So once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of mustard and half a tablespoon of jeera. Just wait till it gets completely crackled. So once it crackles, we are going to add the other ingredients. I am adding here around 10 garlic pieces along with skin. Slightly mash it and add, and Guntur chili around 4 to 5. So this round Guntur chili will give more taste to the rasam. 4 to 5 green chili slit and little bit of curry leaves. Just fry it nicely so that the chili, garlic, everything gets fried completely. That enhances the taste of the rasam. Add 2 to 3 tiny onions or sambar onions, which is purely optional. If you want, you can add. Just mix it well and then you can add a medium size finely chopped tomatoes. Wait till the tomato becomes completely mushy and cooked. So once it is cooked, now we are going to add the beetroot juice which we have taken. Adjust the consistency, do not add more water, otherwise the taste will get diluted. Just add little bit of water, give it a good mix. Now we are going to add tamarind juice to it. So you can take a small piece of tamarind, soak and add. Here I have prepared tamarind extract and I have stored in refrigerator. For working women, this is very quick and easy and handy. Add required amount of salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. So once you add everything, just give it a good mix and let it cook for around 2 minutes. Once you start seeing the foam on the top, you can just add half a cup of cooked dal. So here I have taken tur dal and I have soaked it for 10 minutes and cooked it for around 3 to 4 whistles. So once you add this dal, just give it a good mix and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. So once the rasam started boiling nicely, the final step is we are going to add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated coconut. So this step is again a purely optional, but if you add grated coconut, the rasam is going to taste amazing. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. That's all, our yummy rasam is ready. This will go very well with hot rice. You can just have with some spicy side dish, or you can just have in cup directly as it is. It is going to taste very good and it is a healthy summer recipe. Surely you all need to give it a try. If you're having cold or something, you can just grind some pepper powder and you can add to it and you can drink it as such. If you like my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.